How to manage voice and privacy settings in Google Assistant. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and click on Google. In here, click on All Services. Then scroll down and search for Voice, Search, and Assistant. Click on it. Then in here, click on Google Assistant. Scroll down and you'll find Accessibility. Click on it. From here, you can turn off mic, open notification, close, and if you go back and click on Personal Results, you will be able to turn on or off other options for voices as well, which is Personal Results. Use Assistant to access info from your apps, and you'll find different other options you want. You can also click on Assistant Voice and Sounds and change the voice. And this is how to manage voice and privacy settings in Google Assistant. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.